Hello friends, welcome to JQuery tutorial. Now we are at the final part of the sub-series JQuery UI tab control. In this video we will see how to enable or disable tabs on button click. In the example, if you see, we have two buttons, one is enable and another one is disable. So when user performs a specific action, at runtime, we want to enable or disable a tab, and we will see how to do that here in this video. And this video will conclude our sub-series JQuery UI tab control. On the tabs widget, we can make a call to a enable method to enable a specific tab. The same way, disable method disables a specific tab. So let's add two buttons next to the tab widget, and if you see, it's a simple HTML change, and we added a div tag, and after that we have two input element that denotes enable or disable button. Using these buttons, we will enable and disable the third tab, right? That means here we need to handle the click event of the button, and inside the handler we will pick a specific tab. Here we are talking about third tab, right? That means we will take index number 2, and using that we will access the specific tab page and enable or disable it based on the specific button click action. Here is the code for it, right? After showing the tabs, the jQuery code attaches a click event handler to the enable button, and you can see tab E, that's the ID, right? Tab D is another ID for the second button. So this time we are selecting the first input element, and we are handling the click event handler directly. You can make use of the on method also, but here we are using the direct click method, and we pass the handler function. When the tab E element is clicked, it enables the third tab denoted by index 2 of the tab EX widget. Here if you see, we select tab EX by its ID, we make use of tabs method, right? Then we pass the action as enable and tell which index we want to enable. The same way, the enable method in the tab function allows the specified tab to be activated by the user, right? Enabled by the user. Index starts from 0, so index 2 refers the third tab, we know that already. The same way we are handling the disable action as well, and if you see, the code will be similar, right? This time, instead of enable, we are making use of disable and specify the tab index. Now let's go to the demo. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.